Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. The Honda XL185 is a legendary dual sport motorcycle that combines classic styling with dependable performance. Built for riders who enjoy both paved roads and off-road adventures, the XL185 has earned a reputation for durability, simplicity, and low maintenance. Its lightweight frame and reliable four-stroke engine make it an excellent choice for beginners, commuters, and adventure enthusiasts alike. Even decades after its release, the Honda XL185 remains a favorite among collectors and riders who appreciate timeless engineering. At the front, the Honda XL185 features a rugged and functional bumper-style design with a classic round headlight protected by a durable metal housing. The high-mounted front fender helps prevent mud and dirt from collecting while riding on rough trails, making it ideal for off-road conditions. Long travel front suspension absorbs bumps effectively, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride over rocky paths and uneven terrain. Chrome accents and vintage Honda graphics give the motorcycle an authentic retro appearance that still attracts attention today. The interior side of the Honda XL185 focuses on rider comfort and practicality. The wide handlebars provide excellent control and confidence, while the upright seating position reduces fatigue during long rides. A simple analog instrument cluster displays essential information, including speed and engine status. The comfortable single-piece seat offers enough space for both city commuting and weekend adventures. The air-cooled 180cc four-stroke single-cylinder engine delivers smooth power with excellent fuel efficiency, making it economical for everyday use. A reliable manual transmission allows riders to enjoy complete control on highways, city streets, and mountain trails. Moving toward the back, the Honda XL185 continues its adventure-ready design with a slim rear fender, classic taillight, and strong rear suspension. The lightweight rear frame enhances stability while carrying light luggage or camping gear. Spoke wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires provide impressive grip on dirt, gravel, and asphalt. The high-mounted exhaust system not only adds to the motorcycle's iconic appearance but also improves water-crossing capability during off-road rides. Every detail of the rear section reflects Honda's commitment to reliability and practical adventure riding. Performance is one of the Honda XL185's greatest strengths. Its dependable engine starts easily, produces smooth acceleration, and requires minimal maintenance. The motorcycle is light enough to handle confidently on narrow trails while remaining stable on paved roads. Riders appreciate its balanced handling, responsive braking, and excellent fuel economy. Whether exploring countryside roads, commuting to work, or enjoying weekend trail rides, the Honda XL185 delivers a rewarding riding experience that has stood the test of time. The price of a Honda XL185 varies depending on its model year, condition, originality, and location. Well-maintained used models generally range between $2,000 and used $5,000, while fully restored collector-quality examples may sell for even higher prices. Because production ended years ago, availability depends on the used motorcycle market, making clean examples increasingly valuable among classic Honda enthusiasts. Overall, the Honda XL185 remains one of the most respected vintage dual-sport motorcycles ever produced. Its combination of classic styling, dependable engineering, comfortable ergonomics, impressive fuel economy, and proven off-road capability makes it an outstanding choice for riders who appreciate simplicity, reliability, and timeless Honda quality.